Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna dive deep into some other oh what okay uh, yeah so we're gonna dive deep into some other concepts of Python, so let's just dive right in. So let's start with the code. First I'll type code and then I'll explain it to you. So x equals input. Let's say what's x, okay? What's x? Ah, yes. What is wrong? Okay, I guess nothing. I would say let's define another function except value error. Now we have really less job to do with this. Just don't leave spaces and just use caps. Forgot this one. So except value error. Print x is not a number. Then else print so we're printing this function so that we can do our operations. X is this. Okay, I guess you pretty much understand this. Yes, so let's just run this. So they're asking us what's x. Let's say 5. X is 5. Now let's say x is Harry Potter. Harry Potter. X is not a number, so that's cool, right? Okay, I'm not gonna demonstrate it as a code because you have to try some few things, but I'll give you what to try. Okay, so you gotta try pass. Okay, so pass means skip in Python. What Python? More like ignore, right? So pass means skip in Python, more like ignore. So this is a concept you're gonna try it, okay? So let's print the prediction code. Import random, okay? Then only you can predict. Randomly have to predict, right? What? Import random. What is happening? Import random. Oh, okay, okay. I understand now. So that's not an issue. It's just the color, it's dim. So let's say coin equals random dot choice heads, and then comma tails. Print coin. Now it's gonna predict between heads and tails, okay? Tails, and you again run it heads, again run it tails, heads. What? Stop and rerun. Okay, fine. Okay, stop and rerun. Tails, tails, heads, tails, heads. It's not always alternative. In this, it's even like that. It's not necessary for it to be alternative. Let's see how long this video has went so far. 5 minutes. Okay, then let's just continue. These are just libraries. You gotta mug it up. Like, you just have to memorize these stuff. You can't quite understand what it is, but you can understand the words, right? From random import choice. So this is the same as the last one. Print coin. So it's exactly the same as the last one, so you don't have to worry about it. Just random. It's just another way to do that. See, you saw that? It gave tails for 2 times, so this proves that it's random. Okay, fine. So again, import random, or it can even be from random import choice, so that doesn't matter. Randint is nothing but random integer, okay? So don't confuse that a lot. I didn't say ARB. Uh, okay, fine. It's just so print number. It's just pretty random between 1 and 10, right? See, doesn't even have a pattern. It's just kind of random. Let's keep this random as it is. So let's have these 3 cards, okay? Random dot shuffle cards. So now we can just why is it, oh, okay, sorry, lame of me. See, it shuffled the entire list and then it gave us something, and again you do it again and it again shuffled. See, it keeps on shuffling. Okay guys, we almost completed Python. We only have a little So let's see one more out library. Import statistics. So we have the mean, that is 100 plus 90 by 2, which is 95. Just the average between this. So see, 95, right? Just mean. So that's it for today, guys. I guess tomorrow is gonna be the last conceptual video. After that, I'll teach you how to install PyChart. I mean PyCharm. Okay. So and in the very next video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Visual Code so that some users are Visual Code coders. Okay, let me just show that to you. Um, Visual. Oopsies. Visual Studio Code. So we have a lot. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you how to install that one. So after that, we still have to know some more things of Python. That is, why Python? What is Python? Because in interviews and when you suggest building something using Python, these questions will arise by your managers or someone else. Okay. So for that, we'll see that using W3 Schools. We're gonna run through that. So after that, we're gonna build some cool website or game or something that just have to be advanced and has to be professional. And after that, you'll be comfortable with the application. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Wait a minute. Hang on. I forgot to share the link on this video. Just a minute. So, guys, this is the link for my club. Okay. https:// t.me/Ivy Titans, and avoid the space between them, and I and T are caps. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.